The current business model adapted doesn't add value to consumers and retailers. The importance of pulses on the market leads us to think about the cleaning and processing for all pulses groups, and this also adds value to the consumer. The purpose of this plant is to process different types of pulses. These can be found in different locations in Sudan, adding value for our local products. Lead pulses for the main market, competitive advantage. Fava beans, Shaba, Agabat and Salim, locally sourced in northern Khartoum, Darfur and River Nile states. Lentils, internationally sourced in Red Sea and River Nile states. And chickpeas, locally sourced in Gezira and Darfur states. We choose those specific pulses for their high consumption and their high penetration in consumer meals on a daily and weekly basis. The processing stages required on pulses from cleaning to packaging are as shown. Pre-cleaning and storage. Cleaning, grading, hulling, drying, splitting, optical sorting, polishing, packaging. The sourcing of most of these raw materials are obtained locally, hence eliminates the need of foreign currency is one of the main benefits. The most important aspect of the plant is dividing the value chain into two stages. 1. Upstream, to supply, process and depend on the supply strategy, with the challenge being in terms of understanding the commodity market internationally and locally. 2. Downstream, to sell different varieties and grades, and it depends on understanding and serving all different consumer segments. Our logistical capabilities in distribution can be utilized in collecting the raw materials from the farmers. The process will involve using existing distribution hubs as collection points. The plant is not limited to what we've already mentioned. It's more about cleaning, primary processing, grading, hulling and benefiting from this kind of plant. It can open other business opportunities as direct integration too. Extruder. The plant could be the main supplier for the lower pulses grades and solve the main Sudanese SSMO constraints for this value stream. Export. The return in investment through this will be achieved easily through the main Sudanese products for export, like sesame, by bypassing some stages and adding hulling, spices by isolating a couple of the pulses processing stages and adding grinding. And animal feed. The plant can supply the main protein content from the pulses waste, sesame, groundnut hulls and lower grade mashes. How will we do that? By integrating all of the above with a smart local and international supply business model from small farmers, by financing or contracting with the financiers and traders farmers by contracts or facilitators as consultants to when and what to buy.